Hello kids, do you know there are so many amazing jobs in our world, from A to Z. Let's explore cool careers together and see what you might want to be. Alphabet Careers Song.
A is for astronomer, gazing at the stars so bright. B is for beekeeper, making honey day and night. C is for cartographer, drawing maps with care. D is for drone pilots, flying high up in the air. E is for entomologists, studying bugs so small. F is for forensic scientists, solving cases for us all. From A to Z, there's jobs galore, amazing careers to explore. What do you want to be someday? Let's sing and learn the alphabet way. G is for gemologist, finding gems that shine. H is for horticulturist, making gardens look divine. I is for illustrator, drawing pictures for your books. J is for jeweler, crafting jewelry with special looks. K is for karate instructor, teaching kicks and moves. L is for lifeguard, keeping swimmers in the groove. From A to Z, there's jobs galore, amazing careers to explore. What do you want to be someday? Let's sing and learn the alphabet way. M is for marine biologist, swimming with the fish. N is for nutritionist, making healthy meal wish. O is for orthodontist, making teeth straight and bright. P is for paleontologist, digging fossils day and night. Q is for quality inspector, checking things are right. R is for robotics engineer, building robots with delight. From A to Z, there's jobs galore, amazing careers to explore. What do you want to be someday? Let's sing and learn the alphabet way. S is for ship captain, sailing across the sea. T is for tour guide, showing sights so happily. U is for umpire, calling plays so fair. V is for veterinarian, giving animals loving care. W is for wildlife photographer, capturing nature's best.